Hi, I am Payal Mazumdar from Lexis and Company. Today we talk about the topic of ADR and its 5 ways to resolve the conflict. ADR refers to a wide spectrum of structured processes that use non-litigants as a means to settle the disputes in an amicable manner between the parties, directly by the parties themselves or by the involvement of a third neutral party of their choice who are experts in the subject matter of the dispute. And ADR includes inter alia like negotiation, mediation, conciliation, arbitration, lok adalat that can be effectively used in all civil proceedings in order to get justice. What are the 5 ways? First, the judicial process. It is an adjudicatory process that is adversarial in nature. The focus here is on past events, determination of rights and liabilities of parties. Under this process, a third party decides the outcome which is binding on the parties and procedures. What is arbitration? Arbitration is a quasi-judicial adjudicatory process where the arbitrator is appointed by a court or by the parties to decide the dispute between the parties. What is mediation? Mediation is essentially negotiation and not an adjudicatory process where a mediator facilitates the process in which parties participate directly in the resolution of their dispute and decide the terms of settlement in a mutually agreeable manner irrespectively of rights and liabilities. Now, what is conciliation? Conciliation is a non-adjudicatory process in which a third neutral party called a conciliator facilitates the ADR by playing an active role. Conciliation is a party-centered negotiation and the consent of the parties are mandatory. What is Lok Adalat? Lok Adalat is also an non-adjudicatory process if it is established under Section 19 of the Legal Service Authorities Act 1987. However, Lok Adalat is conciliatory and adjudicatory if it is established under Section 22B of the Legal Services Authorities Act 1987. Thank you so much. If any of the doubt regarding this topic, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.